here. Mossy, what's going on? How's everybody doing? Lily, Celeste, how you guys doing? Welcome to the stream. How you guys doing? Oh, I forgot to change the time and date on this scope. When is the blood moon's happening? Very soon. It's gonna start in about an hour. No, what? Probably gonna start in 30, 40 minutes, right? 30, 40 minutes, guys. It's gonna start, and then to the peak of the eclipse is gonna happen, and then a couple hours after that. Welcome from Brazil. That's awesome to see. How are you guys doing? Yeah. Yeah, the reason the moon's upside down right now is just the way the telescope works. But in reality, it's actually the other way. Hello, you recently subscribed? That's awesome. Thanks for subscribing. Appreciate you guys coming in. Sorry if I don't see every chat. I am a little busy setting everything with the technicalities, and got to get my images too. So, yeah. Croatia, welcome from Croatia. Saying hi from Florida, Toronto. Welcome to the stream, guys. It's 4 a.m. for you, holy moly. Oh. Welcome from Pennsylvania. It's good to see everybody in here. Trinidad. Wow. I think I can pin a message. I'm gonna write a message in the chat. Won't be able to see. Oh, crap. Okay. Put that pin message in the chat there. I won't be able to see every message, but I'm just Just gonna show you guys the full moon, then I might end the live stream, take a lot of photos, do my best I can, and then I might do a quick totality live stream for you guys so you can see what it looks like. We'll just play it by ear, so if you guys stay up for the eclipse, hopefully if you have clouds, you'll be able to see it from the live stream. Kenny, is that the max zoom with this telescope? So right now the telescope's set at a focal length that I can't change because my phone's up to the lens, but I can actually zoom in with my phone and you can see tons of detail there on the moon. So lunar eclipse, it's about to start in about 30-ish minutes. Okay. How are things looking over here?
Good.
I haven't made it up to this much of a video. Looks good, looks good. And we got tons of cameras and tons of telescopes set up right now. I'll be having reels come out and videos showcasing how it all looks later in the, probably either tomorrow or later in the week. It'll be an amazing experience for me to see a lunar eclipse live, and especially this much closer. Yeah, it's pretty awesome that we got the, I'm able to do the stream here tonight for you guys. Already have all I need to do. Touching the DSLR now.
Oh yeah. Is that what you're gonna do the eclipse with?
Yeah, time lapse. So I already got my mosaic. Took I don't know how many panels, but I already got my mosaic done.
So you'll blend that with the blood part?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, for the detail. Oh heck yeah.
That's how I did the one in March.
So
and actually both the Marches are, wait, no.
So I could do that too.
Yeah. So if you did, yeah, so you don't have to process like a totality stack. You can work in like color overlays and such.
Just do the color overlay.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's not a bad. I just never thought of it. Well, I'm not afraid of composites. That's for sure.
Yeah, definitely. Already have one in there.
Although, I think from that March one last year, I think my favorite shot from there was a single exposure, like at totality.
Yeah, definitely.
It was a 20-second exposure.
Yeah, the tracked ones are really cool because they're like, I don't know, it's hard to explain, but they're really cool.
You know that one though, it was weird because it never completely went red. It was a little sliver at the top that was white. Remember?
The one that we did?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's.
And then the one September was completely red.
September. I didn't get that one. Oh, the partial?
Yeah, no, that's when you went to.
I did. San Diego was in March.
Last year?
This year.
Oh, this year.
March.
Yeah.
March 3rd.
Yeah, last September. Wait, no. Oh yeah. This past March was the one that was.
Just depends, I guess, like how.
It wasn't. It was completely red.
Yeah. It was really cool. Just depends how deep it gets, like, actually into Earth's shadow, you know.
But that was the one where my tracker screwed up.
In March?
Yeah.
Oh.
I just didn't get it good. I couldn't use my 2-time extender. I had to just shoot at 600 millimeters.
Oh dang.
At like 6400 ISO. And
holy moly.
And it was low on the horizon, remember?
The
March one.
March? It did kind of skim across, kind of like did a little dip, yeah, it did.
Low. It was like just right above the tree line where I was shooting.
Really?
Yeah.
After we got ours, because we were in San Diego. It's set. I'm sure you maybe have seen it, but it's set behind the mountains. It was it was so cool. Because it ended like pretty much as it was setting, because it was just so late in the night. But it was really cool to see it set behind the mountains like that.
San Diego's so nice.
It is really nice.
Me and my wife went. Well, she had a work conference out there. Running every morning, it was like 72.
Oh, it's so nice, yeah.
Thanksgiving.
Yeah.
I went to Joshua Tree one night.
Yeah, because it's only what, like 30, 40, 45 to an hour, right?
No, it was like 3 or 4 hours because of traffic.
Oh, yeah.
Traffic was horrible. But like, I got set up and I got like 7 shots of Orion, and then the clouds came in.
Oh, what are the odds?
Like,
what are the odds?
I'm going with her on another work trip to Denver in November.
Colorado?
Yeah.
Those are some insane mountains as well.
So I'm gonna try to go to Great Sand Dunes National Park.
That'd be so. Oh, I've heard that's really nice there.
Do Orion there.
Yeah.
She has a big conference somewhere on Cole every year. So
Oh, okay. Heck yeah.
I just try to go with her.
I'll be back in a half an hour. All right, I'll see you at Tynex. Bro, is your telescope able to capture a picture of Jupiter? Yeah, this one you can. It's just not as good as a larger telescope would get you, as maybe you've seen online. But this telescope here can definitely capture a picture of Jupiter. The moon. You guys ready for the blood moon, the eclipse tonight? What's the blue light around the moon? The blue light around the moon is the telescope and the camera having just a little bit of interference because it's just the way they're made and how it works when you're looking through a phone. But if you're to look through the eyepiece, it just look a little different. There, try and focus it for you guys. There we go. So if we zoom in here, guys, and then look, that chromatic blue that you guys were seeing from the lens and the glass on the telescope, all that's gone. So it just depends on how the telescope bends the light from where you're looking at, and if it's out of focus or in focus or not. Welcome to the stream, everybody. Appreciate you guys coming in. You know, I've never gotten an eclipse with clouds before. Like, I've never, like a final image, you know? I'm sure.
That would be cool.
Yeah, I think AJ did, actually, at one point, maybe.
Who's AJ now?
AJ Samadhi, you've definitely seen his stuff.
So show me.
It'll load. Never seen a lunar eclipse before. This is going to be your first time seeing one. Oh, heck yeah. I feel it load. He's done collaborations with the European Space Agency. He's
sure
really his
More
solar
planetary
eclipse.
stuff.
Yeah, he does the same thing I do, kind of. His solar eclipse was just
bonkers.
out of this world. Like, it was actually insane. I don't know if but you might be able to pull it up on your phone.
Yeah, my phone's downloading something.
Ah. Oh, a plane just flew in front of the moon. I got it on. What? That way. Hold on.
Oh man.
Look at it on the live stream. Hold on.
I ain't never.
Wait, did you guys see that? Holy moly.
I ain't.
That was insane. Hold
never
on.
filming when it doesn't.
Wait, here, there.
Oh
wait,
yeah,
here's your
that's
hand.
it.
It's a little pixelated because of the stream. That was insane.
Man, that's what I was wanting.
Ah. Hold on. Okay, so here's AJ. It kind of loaded some of his stuff, but that was the cool. Did you guys see that plane? Man, I should refresh that. Yeah,
Oh
so,
wow.
Yeah.
Dang.
And we're hearing his
Man, that
totality.
sun
So look at
stuff.
his totality stuff.
Oh yeah.
I mean, that's.
Jeez, it's crazy.
Yeah, he's cool. He went up with Sunshine Nate and all them in Spain. Dang, did you guys see that plane just flew in front of the moon like that? That was a plane.
Coming out the other side now.
Yeah, that was so cool to watch. That was pretty wild.
Start my time lapse on my C-Star.
Heck yeah. Hopefully it'll come out nice.
Yeah, I don't really know like how it's gonna like exposure around.
Yeah, well, cause like those last 30 minutes up to totality, it really like changes a lot. You could really messes with it.
I've got it on auto, so I don't.
Hey, might work.
I don't really know what how it's gonna do.
The phone does. I don't know if you remember when Rami did his live stream. The phone, like, exposes it perfectly. You can see the dark, like the shadow side, and then the moon. Like, it does it really well.
Yeah. What do you how for your time lapse? What are your intervals gonna be?
Probably, I'm gonna try and do every minute.
Just 1 minute.
I'm gonna try, yeah.
Nothing.
Yeah, that's what I forgot my focal reducer at the house when I went to San Diego, so I could only do every 10 minute, every 10 minutes in San Diego. But I'm gonna try and do one every minute here.
It almost looks like the shadows.
Probably, yeah. What do we got? How long do we got? Oh, my computer still thinks it's 10:05, but the pre-umbra is already out there.
That's what I'm saying. I can kind of see it on the.
Oh wait, yeah.
See, look.
Yeah, you can definitely see it. Yeah. Lunar Eclipse is starting, everybody. Speaking in Portuguese, welcome from Portugal. What is the current time for me is 9 o'clock, almost on the dot. 9:06, 9:05, something like that. When is it gonna happen? The lunar eclipse starts in 30 minutes, but totality or the peak of the eclipse will be around midnight for me, so around 3 hours into it. Wait, no, like 2 hours into it, like 11 o'clock maybe. See, I set my DSLR somewhere. I don't remember. Here we go. Dude, I'm telling you, the flip out screen, absolute game changer. Having a screen that flips out,
Oh yeah.
dude. So this is what you can kind of expect with a. I don't think I had the reducer. I should have. Yeah, this is no reducer. So that's Canon directly attached to this one. No.
What's the reducer do?
It reduces the focal length, so it zooms it out even more.
Oh.
So you get a like.
Man, you can
going
get real in there.
Yeah, yeah. So
Zoom in on that?
yeah, so you can do. That's just the.
Oh, gee.
Yeah, so that's
Oh,
just
yeah.
the DSLR attached to it.
Yeah.
Nothing else.
Can you do a mosaic like that?
Yeah, you can. If you like, that's how I do it. Cause like, This is
you
a
don't use the planetary camera?
it depends. So this is a good color data, right?
Yeah.
So I'd overlay this over top of a mosaic with like the C11 or something like that.
Oh,
But
yeah.
if you're doing a mosaic, especially like up here and here, I mean, you just know like the glass already like, you probably have your focus points like here. So
Yeah.
you just do a shot here, here, and here, and then you have a 3-panel mosaic already,
Yeah.
just with the DSLR. So pretty neat. Hey, Mossy. When is this gonna happen? The lunar eclipse is actually about to start in 30 minutes. We're gonna, hang on, give me 1 second, guys. I'm gonna refresh my transit page here. All right, no planes aligned with the moon. Yeah, about 30 minutes the eclipse is gonna start happening, and then about 2 hours into it, totality or the peak of the eclipse will happen, and it'll be a turn. You'll get to see the redness in the eclipse and everything. Yeah, you can definitely see it, like even with your eyes a little bit. You can definitely see something's going on there. Okay, so this is the T-ring. So this you can get for Nikon and Canon. It's an adapter for just that, yeah, a T-ring. And then this is like a separation thing.
Reducer.
Yeah, and then this is the reducer.
Oh, yeah.
So this is the glass that like bends it and reduces the focal length, inverts it, I guess. Yeah. So then this just
So I could probably find a used one of these for maybe 900, 1,000.
easily. That's, I mean, I go used. Old men on Facebook Marketplace used. They have the best stuff.
And this is tracks too, right?
Yeah, it's like I don't even have to like.
I can do deep sky stuff with it too, huh?
It'd just be there'd be field rotation, but you can hook it up to like if you have a sturdy EQ mount that can hold. I don't know the specs of it, but
I ain't got nothing for that kind of. Oh yeah, because it just is
this
doing.
is alt as, so it's basically a C star.
I'd have to do really short, super short exposures, huh?
Yeah.
Like 20 seconds.
Yeah, and you could probably do. I mean, like Whirlpool Galaxy.
Yeah.
Anything.
Andromeda, real
Yeah,
bright
yeah.
stuff.
Yeah, Andromeda Core would be crazy. Yeah.
When my wife gets her doctorate and starts making all the money, I'll have more money to buy the real stuff.
Yeah.
Buy the not the real stuff, but like one of those, like a real deep sky setup.
Yeah, because those people in their deep sky
Dude.
stuff.
They got that retirement old man money.
Yeah, they're like freaking putting 10, 20 grand into a deep
Oh
sky
yeah.
stuff.
There's part of me that wants to send my C-Star out there to Starfront.
Yeah, I want to, like, I was telling myself if I got that C14 deal, the 14-inch thing,
Send it out
I'd
there?
send the 11
Hell
and then
yeah,
keep
yeah.
it. Then I just have,
I mean, you could just, I could just write it off as a business expense.
Exactly, yeah.
I mean, the C-Star is what, $100 a month or something?
I haven't looked at the prices. I probably something around that because
I
like the
think
bigger,
it's like $100 a month.
yeah, the bigger the scope, the bigger you pay. I'm guessing.
But I think, well, your 11-inch would be like $200 a month.
Easily,
But
think about it, if you go a couple times traveling somewhere,
If you're making it back,
stuff, you know,
yeah.
I mean, it's like me coming here. I go on trips like this all the time.
Yeah.
I definitely spend more than $200. You know, like
Yeah.
if I go to the beach for a dark sky thing or something. I mean, I've got a hotel and gas and all this stuff.
But if the pictures I get from it alone, being there, make me, you know.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, you'll make money off of it.
I think Ian's got a scope out there.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh wait, I think he does. It is his deep space stuff. I think he definitely must.
He went out there and visited him, I think.
Really? Okay, so this is with the reducer now, so it looks, I mean, quite comparable to yours, but
Little bit
the
more.
aperture, instead of glass bending the light, it's reflecting light, which gives you that. I don't know I don't know how that compares to what you have.
Oh, that's
over
a
there.
lot more detailed.
Yeah, so
It's
it's
mega detail compared to mine.
yeah, so
Because that two-tone teleconverter softens mine up
yeah.
bad. So
So,
like,
yeah, you can even see the shadow.
so like if I was gonna, yeah, and then for the solar eclipse, this
And then, like,
obviously
I
would
put
be
this in
much
my
better.
carry-on. I take it to San
Yeah.
Diego, and then mount goes in the. Because I just take this. I don't even
Yeah.
take the legs.
Well, like
Because this sits flat on the ground.
I've seen somebody do the lunar eclipse. I mean, the solar eclipse with a lens like that.
Yeah.
And it's all jacked up. There's so many different. The refraction and everything on it is horrible. And so, like, I know I need to get something that's not that.
Mm-hmm.
My wife was like, "Why don't you just buy a lens like that instead of keeping on renting it?" I'm like, "Cause I don't really know. I don't think this is the best.
Yeah.
This is just me being lazy and getting something."
Yeah. I definitely would have that. I mean, those images that I showed you, those AJ's images, but the Corona, I think I'm like 90% sure all of that was with a 600.
Oh, really?
Yes,
Man.
I know he did bring a 5-inch, so this, but 1 inch smaller. I know he did bring one, but I'm not like entirely sure. All right, guys, lunar eclipse. You might be able to actually hold on. Let me.
I can see it now.
Yeah, you can definitely start to see the lunar eclipse coming. Or the moon essentially orbiting into Earth's shadow. So for you guys on stream, it'll be the top left area of the moon. What is this? This is a live stream of the moon right now, and there's a total lunar eclipse happening. If you want to Google if it's visible from your location, just give it a quick Google and you can see the map and figure out if you're able to see it. Go out in about any time between now and a couple hours and you'll see Earth's shadow on the moon. Greetings from Argentina. Welcome to Argentina. Sorry, I can't read every message, guys. I do have to, take pictures and stuff. But enjoy the live stream of the full moon. Oh, did you guys see that bird that just flew in front of the moon? Earlier, we had a plane fly in front of the moon, which is really cool to look at.
good out here.
Do it.
Cooling off out here pretty good.
Heck yeah.
Yeah, I only keep this tractor just for this.
Yeah. Just the fun of it.
Or else I just sold it. Just for lunar eclipses.
Yeah.
So I've got that Venro Polaris that does all my automated panos and stuff. Stopped at the old Dolly gas station.
Do what?
Stopped at the Dolly gas station on the way up.
That's a thing?
There's a Dolly Parton gas station.
What? I had no idea.
It was packed.
Oh, I don't doubt that. Everybody
I was
loved
like, oh,
Dolly.
yeah, she died yesterday.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Starting to show up now.
Sweet.
See?
Oh yeah, look at that. Do you know why this is happening?
Huh?
Look, so I like see how dim it is on here, but then I take a picture, right, and it's like super bright. Like I don't.
Okay.
That's what I'm trying to figure out
The
why.
live view is weird. I feel
Yeah.
weird, huh? What kind of camera is that?
T6i. I don't know.
Is
There's
it-
gotta be a button or a
Is it a
setting.
mirrorless or is it
It's a
DSLR?
DSLR, yeah.
The live view isn't not going to be what you get then.
Oh, so do I have to change like something? Because this is like I never had this problem with the DSLR before.
Like whatever it shows you is not necessarily what you're gonna,
Yeah, it's
the
just
exposure that you're
very
gonna get.
drastic though.
That's one of the biggest differences with a mirrorless.
Interesting. Oh boy.
Unless it's cloudy back at home.
So it's cloudy.
I said, let me see if it is.
Oh,
Oh yeah, it is.
yikes!
Cloudy in Chattanooga too.
I don't doubt it.
I think we're gonna be good.
Should be.
I mean, I don't even see. I don't see nothing.
Nope.
Yeah, there's all kind of clouds up back at the house. Huntsville looks sort of clear.
Okay, I'll just run it like that and adjust accordingly. Where?
As soon as totality is over, I'm snatching that card out and cranking one out.
Do what?
I'm gonna edit one like as soon as totality
Oh,
is over
yeah.
and try to.
Pull a Rami Astro?
Oh yeah. He's back, huh?
I was texting him this morning. He said he's gonna try and get it from Virginia.
I forgot he moved over there.
Yeah.
He went on hiatus.
Yeah, I saw sadly his follower count like went below 1 million. I was like, no.
Yeah, the algorithm punishes you.
Dude, I lose like 100 to 200 a day on Instagram.
Oh yeah, me too.
It's like, what the heck?
Oh yeah, I lose them all the time. And then I'll like have a burst where I'll gain a bunch.
Yeah.
And then I'll lose them. You've been destroying them lately.
It's been June, July, August have been pretty good, yeah. I can't wait to get my silver play button off YouTube as well.
Nice.
I'm so excited for that. Literally a dream come true.
That's awesome. That's where your money is right there, dude.
Yeah,
On YouTube.
I'm excited for that. How long until it's red? The lunar eclipse peak will be in a couple hours, but it is gonna start fully here in about now actually. It's gonna start here in a minute. It might show up on the live stream here soon. Yeah, I guess I'll just have to finagle it. Okay, I think that's working. All right, guys. Should you get a telescope? Yes, you should get a telescope. All right, everybody, you can start to see the first phase of the lunar eclipse coming up at the top view of the screen there. It is just getting ever so slightly darker. You can see it.
Are you muted on there? Not the same stuff?
Yeah, go for it, go for it. Oh. Yeah, I totally did that wrong.
Kenny's got the live stream going.
Oh, no, 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 no.
Your behind the scenes camera's going here. But let's start.
Okay, there we go. Okay, I think I did it. I think I got everything situated. Got the live stream, got the DSLR doing automatic stuff. And yeah, I think we're good. I think we're good. You can start to see it visually with your eyes just a little bit.
Yeah, I can see it now.
You can definitely see something's going on, but oh yeah, you guys can see on the live stream there. You can see Earth's shadows coming up on the moon there, up in the top view of the live stream. Look at that. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay, I think I did this right
Still
now,
clear, too.
if I'm not mistaken.
That's the most important thing, really. And I just checked the forecast, and it's still cloudy back at home, which validates the drive up here, but I do want it to be clear back at home, so
I did it.
the people back at home can see it.
You guys see the shadow there on the live stream, but up in the top of the moon? Oh yeah, you can definitely see it start there. Look at that. Oh.
I think I'm gonna have to be manually adjusting the C-star now.
You think? What's it look like?
It's like it hasn't adjusted it by itself.
It's clipping the shadow there.
That's what I'm saying. I think it's
Yeah.
gonna like. I think I'm gonna have to
Might
start
actually give you a full shadow.
adjusting it up.
All right, guys, Lunar Eclipse has started. You can see it's the top of the moon there is getting a little dark. Okay. How many people do we have in the live stream right now? We got about almost 30. Okay. Let me get. Are there any different? What reactions are there? All right. Can we drop some hearts for the start of the lunar eclipse? Maybe. Is that possible? Hold on now. There it is, guys. There we go. I see him coming in. Heck yeah, we got a lot of people going. Okay, okay. Sweet, guys, sweet. Do, 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 do. Yes, the lunar eclipse has started, everybody. You can see it. The moon is currently orbiting Earth, and then it's going to pass right through Earth's shadow. And you can see it starting there on the top of the screen. Dude, 2,000 people have already joined the stream. That's crazy.
On Instagram?
YouTube, yeah. Or YouTube.
Oh, yeah.
You guys excited for the eclipse? All right, got a new pinned message there. So if everybody's ready for the eclipse. Still light here, west coast of Canada. Ooh. Well, here on the east coast of the U.S., the eclipse has started, but later in the night, you should be able to see the eclipse. Later, like in probably a couple hours after the sun sets, you should be getting an eclipse moonrise from your location, which is pretty awesome. You guys can see the moon is starting to disappear there. Looks really awesome. Welcome from Costa Rica. Yeah, no problem. Oh, there it goes. Look at that. It's getting darker and darker. Yes, it is. Should be able to just brighten that up though. My first like 5 minutes might be a little too dim. It was doing the exact same thing the Sea Star was. It clipped like probably 30%, but should be good now. Okay. Welcome to the stream, everybody. Got a good connection. Everything's all good. Would it bother you if I set that light up, that one right there? Would it like interfere with everything?
No.
Okay.
I don't think so.
Just gonna get some B-roll real quick. right?
Yeah.
Sweet. Oh wait, I'm doing the live stream. Oh. I'll get some B-roll later. Forgot about that. How's everybody doing? Rith, welcome to the stream. Neppy, how you doing? Welcome everybody. Might change the thumbnail of the stream to Lunar Eclipse. Or maybe later. Can I change the thumbnail? No, I cannot. All right, guys, you can totally see the lunar eclipse now. It looks even cooler in person with your eyes. How are you guys doing? Welcome to the live stream. You can see that the eclipse is in a full effect right now. Looks really cool with the naked eye, and you can see how you can just see the shadow of Earth coming into view there. See, oh, I was gonna show you this on the iPhone. Like I was saying, you can see both sides, which is really interesting.
You can see what?
You can see both, like you can see. So if we zoom in, you can see like.
Oh yeah.
Hold on, let me go down there. You can see like both, which is really neat.
In the shadows.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Let me know if you guys can see that on the phone there, or if you're able to see it on the stream. You can see the lunar eclipse on both sides, which is cool. Sophia, welcome to the stream. I'm doing good. Thanks for joining the live stream.
Sophia who?
Jovel?
Okay. My daughter's name.
Oh,
She on here? I think she follows you.
really?
Uh-huh.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Look at that. That is just so cool. That is just so cool to look at, guys. Let me know if you're seeing it good here on the stream. Drop some like reactions if you can see it all good. I know this is amazing to look at. Hopefully you guys are seeing it good on the screen there.
Bump my focus.
Do what?
Said I had bumped my focus.
Ooh, scary.
Can't do that. Hour and 30 minutes.
Okay.
Well, it's 96%. Whatever.
Peak eclipse, I guess.
Some people want to say totality, but it's not.
I know it's confused. It's hard not to say it.
I wish.
Yeah.
I kind of don't know what it's gonna look like. Really, I've never done a partial one that was this.
I think I might be. I was trying to do the result I got when we did ours. I think that's the result I'm gonna try and go for this time. Just to look at that. Will we see eclipse already in progress as the moon rises? Yes, you should. As the moon rises in Western Canada, the eclipse, depending on where you live, it should be either at totality or at the peak of the eclipse or just after the peak of the eclipse. But if you have clear skies, you should be able to see Earth's shadow right over the moon. Astro Camden, congrats on 100K. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. Watching it with my C-Star S30. Heck yeah, dude. When will it get red? It should get red in about 2 hours. 2 hours till the peak eclipse. Spudsy. So sick. I appreciate you coming in the stream, Mike. Oh, crap. Okay. I got school tomorrow and I'm staying up till 2 when it ends in my location. You have to wake up at 5. The grind is real, everybody. Oh no, you're good, Camden. You're good. It's gonna be 12:48 for you at that time. Okay. That is late in the night. I have nothing to do tomorrow, and on Sunday go to Nana's house. Heck yeah. Is it only across North America and Europe? You should, I don't know the exact, depending on where you live, but if you Google the 2020, or what did it say, August lunar eclipse path, you should be able to get a nice result and see if you're in the location to see it. Or if you head outside and the moon's disappearing, then you're definitely in the right spot. Alright, it is energy drink time. It is time. Okay, perfect. Alright guys, how's the eclipse on the other end of the stream there? Can you guys see it good? Can you see both sides? You can kind of start to see. Oh, maybe I'm just seeing things. Looks good.
It's hard to bring them. You can't really. It's hard, about impossible.
Wow,
to bring that,
yeah,
bring
it's
that
just
junk
clipping the
out.
darkness
It's just,
so much.
It's just so dark.
It does not like that at all. Surviving off Red Bulls, yes, I know I got a monster right here. When will the moon get red? In about an hour and a half to 2 hours, the peak eclipse will happen.
Look.
That's good. That is really good.
Bing, bing.
That is really cool. Not a lot of field rotation either in that one, which is cool. Okay. Perfect, guys. Just had a little thin layer of clouds pass over. Shouldn't affect things much though, guys. I might end this stream here real quick, maybe to go do a live stream on Instagram. Then I'll be back on here to do a totality stream for you guys. Or I guess a peak eclipse. So you guys can see the maximum eclipse. Gonna go get, yes, Monster Energy. That's what I got right now. I just cracked me open one. I'm gonna probably cut this the YouTube stream here off at 10 o'clock, and then I'll go 10 to 10:30 on Instagram, showcase a little bit on that, and then I will come back here at 11, if my math right there is correct. 10 to 10. No. Cut this off at 10. Do 10 to 10:30 on Instagram. Yeah, I'll be back here around 10:45 Eastern time. So, just to show the people on Instagram the live eclipse as well.
I live streamed the like the Milky Way core like a couple of times, and
That's pretty cool though. Did it do well?
Yeah.
That's always good.
I have this program that's like called Restream.
Yeah, I think my dad uses that. He's used that before.
And I used it, and I like streamed it to
Do everything?
Facebook,
Yeah,
TikTok, and whatever. And you can play music
Oh, really?
like underneath the stream or
Oh.
whatever. And so I just like,
Hey, all right then.
I would just turn the music on and then I'd, you know, mute the mic.
Yeah,
Just
yeah.
let it ride for a while.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah, that was good. We had a sea star. I mean, not a sea star. We had a what's the satellite internet thing?
Starlink?
Starlink. We had a
Yeah, the
Starlink.
trail, yeah.
And we were doing it a lot with it, and then we left the Starlink in Death Valley last spring.
Oh,
And we like tried to call. We left it. My friend left it in his backpack inside the room.
oh.
We tried to call when we got home. We're like, hey, just mail. You know, can you just mail it to us or whatever? No, you got to go through the so and so this service
Bro,
that they use. And I was like,
that's so annoying.
And I was like, hey, what's your name? And he was like, oh, my name's Mark or something. I don't know what it was, but I was like, I'll give you like
Personally,
$100
if you just,
run that thing down to the post office. The post office right down the street.
yeah.
Oh no, we got to use a service thing or whatever. Well, I went back.
Yeah.
This past
To Death Valley, yeah.
July, and
Yeah.
I went in there and I was like, hey, is this Starlink back there? Is there, you know, y'all have lost and found?
Yeah.
I don't know what happened to it. They don't know what happened to us.
Somebody has it.
Somebody got it.
Somebody has it.
The thing is the service that they wanted me to use was going to cost more than the Starlink, a new Starlink.
Yeah. That is so annoying.
So somebody's got a new Starlink somewhere.
Yeah. That is pretty unfortunate, though.
And I don't want to. Neither one of us want to buy another one.
Exactly.
They're so good to have, though.
Yeah, I haven't read much into that, but I heard they're nice.
It's like $50 a month
Oh, dang. Okay.
for the plan.
Yeah.
Oh man, that looks cool, dude.
It does look really nice. You can start to see, if you kind of look at it the right way, there's a little red hue maybe. Maybe I'm just seeing things, but there's a little red hue with my eyes. I'm not sure if you guys see that on the camera. Angel, what's going on? Welcome to the stream. Oh, my mom's on here. What's up, Mom? She said to have fun. I am having fun, Mom. Thank you very much. Me and Jason are shooting the Eclipse right now. What time does the red moon appear in the United States? The lunar eclipse peak will be here in about an hour and a half-ish. I'm gonna cut the YouTube live stream off in about 3 minutes. Then I'm gonna go stream a little bit on Instagram, and then I'll be back here around 10:45 Eastern time. So about 45 minutes after I cut the live stream off, I'll be back to show you guys the peak of the eclipse and everything.
C-Star got out of focus. Weird.
Really?
Yeah, I don't think there's a way to really expose for the shadow and there's just no way.
Oh yeah, on the app, yeah.
Or just if anything.
Yeah, it's just
It's just too dark.
the phone does a really, really good job at like doing a lot.
HDR.
Yeah, it's,
Yeah.
but capturing that with our, like what we have is just, because they're made for showing you kind of what's there and what's not, so. Kent Kelly, how are you doing? You guys won't miss it. I'm only gonna be on the Instagram live for about 40-ish minutes. And you guys, I'll be back on the live stream and you guys will be able to see the eclipse in its full.
So by 1 o'clock it'll be over.
Yeah, that's crazy to think about how usually we have to stay up till like 3, 4 in the morning.
I mean, it's almost. I mean, here in a few
They'll be halfway.
Yeah.
Oh, you think you're gonna just drive on straight back?
I'm thinking about it. But it really just depends, you know. We got, what, we got 2, 10, 11, 12, 3 hours. I mean, we'll see, we'll see. All right, guys, I'm going to cut this live stream off here real quick, and then I'm going to go on Instagram, and I'll be back in about 40-ish minutes to show you guys the peak of the eclipse.